Yo, what's happening, YouTube? I want to take it upon myself to take accountability and give you a much better exhaust video than I did before. That video with this car's exhaust, my 1980 W123, was filmed on my iPhone with an iPhone camera and an iPhone mic. So it sounded iPhone-ish. Granted, they do have good cameras and good mics and whatnot. It doesn't necessarily have the same type of mic that I have on this setup, if you can see in the reflection. Right there. There. So I think you know what that means. It means I'm gonna give you a real exhaust video. Without further ado, I give to you the exhaust. There you go. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked it. And I hope you watch this in the future and continue to enjoy it. Subscribe down below and hit that little bell. It's going to enable notifications so you can see more cool videos I make with this car and that car. Not with that. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoy your day. And I hope you really don't get too pissed off by how freaking obnoxious that this exhaust is. Other than that, you know the drill.